This is the new collection of Dolce Nude Camouflage Sculpting Mix Gel. And these are very special tones for professionals who want to achieve the absolutely wonderful results. For those nail masters who appreciate very specific and special tones. That means, guys, nails of your clients will never look cheap. They will really enjoy these elegant and original combinations of semi-transparent and sparkling. This tone is very cute because this is the milky, a little bit pinkish and semi-transparent. The ideal for application on the natural nails. Since I tried for the first time, I'm in love with this color and I use it every day. This is the ideal for the baby boomer nail design. And this is fabulous. A little bit sparkling baby boomer, very light tone. For those clients who appreciate very soft and stylish nails, who prefers the light effects of shining. You can apply it with a thin layer, with a thick layer, and you will achieve different results. They are all amazing. You know, guys, when you become professional, you start appreciating and feeling the differences between tones which were created by the professional in industry, I mean by the nail technician. In many stores, tones were created by not professionals in this industry and they are not suitable for us, for nail tech. But these tones, guys, they were created especially for nail masters and they were created by me. I imagine myself that I will use these colors every day in my practice. I would never create such tones that will never be appreciated by my clients and will never be popular among my clients and friends. Like in case with this soft pinkish tone. I think every nail master would agree with me that exactly this tone would be very special. And I would always use this one. You know, guys, like Russian says, the devil in details. I mean, if you are the professional, you should appreciate the tones. Maybe it seemed for you that some tones from my collection are similar to each other, but I don't agree with you. If you feel the style, if you feel tones of the skin of our clients, you can choose the particular tone to the particular tone of the skin. For example, the next tone from this collection, as you can see, is a little bit darker, is warm or colder, has more shimmer or less shimmer. I tried to explain and show as closer as I could each color from my collection. You know, I worked a lot to create such exact tones. And I think this one will be suitable for lots of types of nail plates. I have told you guys a lot of time that using this gel product you speed up your work because it's fantastic speed of alignment. You can see that I easily place the product on the tip, no matter what is it, the tip or the nail, and it's flowing, it's aligning very fast and never flows to the sidewalls, to the cuticles. You can see it on the video. And now it's very hot in my room because it's summer and it doesn't influences on the consistency of my gel product. Of course, it's a little bit liquid, but the gel is staying flexible. It's not becoming the water as many other brands. I mean, it's very comfortable to work with this gel product and to place it on the nail plate. And it takes about a couple of minutes to sculpt all nails for me, for the professional. Of course, if you are the beginner, you should train your hand working with this gel product. But we will never compare this product with the polygel or other product because working with this product is twice faster. Tone by tone, the colors are becoming darker. I have painted the palette for clients and just place the tips on the nails of my clients to imagine what exact tone we need. For example, especially this one will be looking amazing with a white French manicure, because number 6 and number 8, they are darker than previous tones and they look on the contrast very beautiful with the white French manicure. And of course this slight shimmering, this is the trend of this year, and this is very popular to have not so high sparkling but the slight stylish sparkling of the nails. Lots of my clients ask to make something special, sparkling on their nails, and I always suggest exactly these tones. And you know guys, I would never create colors which I would never use. Just because this is my work, I'm not going to keep my bottles with the gel on the shelf and never take them to use, and they will be lying all the time there. You know, I'm very practical. I would always use a very economic product like this one, the Sculpting Mix Gel. The container of this product is very stylish and trendy. Hundreds of nail masters from Russia have already tried this product, and this is very popular now. You know, especially I very like this dark tone. I like the shimmering and pigmentation. It has an extremely high shimmering among the all camouflage gel. And the next good thing that the shimmer will never put on the bottom of the container, and you never need to mix it before usage. And now it's time to represent you the new thing, the new inventation. This is the combination of sparkling shimmer and the pearl pigment. Number 9, amazing camouflage gel with the shimmer and pigment. This is the dark tone. I'm in love with this tone for the first sight. It's something like the caramel. It looks very yummy. And the next tones which follow by this one, they are becoming lighter and lighter. So you can choose exact tone that you need. Just take a look guys, so yummy. And now guys, we're going to the next tone. This is a little bit lighter. And as you can see guys, when I place the gel on the tip, you can see that it's very quick and easy aligning on the nail plate. So you can sculpt nails using only 2 layers and curing this product in 1 minute in LED lamp, 48 watt, or applying a lining of the nails. And you can also use this product as a base with a thin layer. Don't forget to use primer before applying the gel product. If you do everything correctly, your nails will stay on 1 month, 2 months or more. This product is long-lasting and never loses its quality. This is the beautiful, yummiest, creamy tone. You know, guys, having some different, exact, special tones, it will improve you as a nail master, because client will always appreciate your work. They would always have a chance to choose different tones. For example, they can start from the baby boomer, continue with the darker tones or the pinkish tone, try tones with the shimmering and the pearl effect. And as you notice, all tones are suitable for every woman, and no matter she is businesswoman or housewife, these are so light and suitable for everyone. You know guys, I remember that days when we worked with only 2 or 3 colors tones of the camouflage gel. But now everything has changed, and we nail masters have a chance to bring such beautiful tones to our clients, and they will appreciate it. You will have a chance to do nails so quickly and easily like I do with using these products. And if we look exactly on this 12th tone, you can see that we are coming back to the dark tones, but this one has pearl effect. This is the pearl camouflage gel. Sometimes people write comments that some tones are similar, as I told before, but I can compare it with the people and eating product. You know, sometimes people, we call them gourmet, and they appreciate special products which are very tasty. The same with these things. Some people, some nail masters, just don't understand the differences between these tones. But some gourmets, nail masters, they use Dolce Nude tones of the sculpting mix gel, and they feel the differences, they appreciate it. And of course, some people don't feel the differences between the iPhone and the old phones with the bottoms and simple glass screen. But the same in all things in my life, in our life. Some people just don't understand differences between things. That's why some things are cheap and some things are expensive, look expensive. If we appreciate things, good things in our life, we should feel the differences between these. And I think if you are the nail master, you need to bring the style to people, bring this feeling of beauty. You should know this feeling of beauty and understand the differences of these tones. And I think it's wrong to have only one tone in collection, or have very citable tones. I mean, some brands are placing such acid colors into the camouflage gel collection. I think it's stupidly, because this is different things, and acid tones should be placed into the summer acid collections, for example, of the gel polish or the gel paint. But these are the camouflage nude tones, and we need have only those tones which are suitable for the natural nails. So in this case, they will look natural, stylish, suitable to the businesswoman, suitable for the housewife, for everyone. You know, I have 12 years experience. This is the big experience which helped me to create these tones, because I work with clients. I know their preferences. I know what they want. I know what they want in Russia. I know what clients want in United States, because I have big experience with education of people all over the world, and I know what their clients want to have on their nails. That's why this collection is universal and suitable for every person in the world. For example, sometimes clients like something like the unicorn tones, and this is it. This is so light and lilac tone, which are for the special people, for the teenagers, for the romantic persons. This tone is also a little bit milky. That's why you will never see the margin between the extended nail and the natural nail. And this is very important for the camouflage gel. I know that some nail masters don't understand it, because we give our clients more time to have nails look fresh between infills. So the margin is not so intensive when we use the camouflage gel. That's why we can see the line between the natural nail and extended nail, and it looks fresh during the long period. That's why clients appreciate exactly these tones. And of course, in this collection we have a little bit fruity tones like this one. This is so pinky color, and will be looking very beautiful on long nails. I have already made the tutorial with this color, and nails were looking so amazing. And of course, guys, we have the practically transparent tone with the light smoky effect, and exactly this tone will be suitable for natural nails inlay when we need to make them a little bit lighter. And this is the new thing. You should definitely try this tone for your clients who appreciate the natural effect of nails. All these colors you can order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping worldwide. Our shop works in Ireland, in Russia. We have 5 years of market experience and all our clients are happy because we create special products for the professionals. I love you guys. See you in the next video.